Family systems therapy. Nurturing healthy relationships. Family systems therapy is a dynamic and influential approach to understanding and addressing the complexities of family dynamics. It emphasizes the interconnectedness of family members, viewing the family unit as a system in which each individual plays a crucial role. This therapeutic approach seeks to foster understanding, communication, and healthy relationships within the family, ultimately promoting emotional well-being and resilience. The foundations of family systems therapy. Origins and influences. Family systems therapy emerged in the mid-20th century as a response to the limitations of individual-focused therapies. Psychiatrist Murray Bowen is often credited as a pioneer in this field. His groundbreaking work, including the development of the Bowen family systems theory, laid the foundation for understanding the intricacies of family interactions and their impact on individuals' emotional health. Bowen's theory introduced key concepts such as differentiation of self, emotional triangles, and multi-generational transmission processes. These concepts are central to family systems therapy and provide a framework for therapists to explore family dynamics and facilitate positive change. Core concepts. 1. Differentiation of self. At the core of family systems therapy is the concept of differentiation of self. This refers to an individual's ability to maintain emotional autonomy while remaining connected to their family. Therapists often work with clients to enhance their differentiation, helping them navigate challenging family relationships without becoming emotionally enmeshed or overly detached. 2. Emotional triangles. Emotional triangles are another essential concept in family systems therapy. These triangles represent the shifting alliances and conflicts that occur within families. Therapists help family members recognize these triangles, understand their roles within them, and work towards healthier communication and connection. 3. Multi-generational transmission processes. Family systems therapy acknowledges the impact of generational patterns and behaviors on individuals. It explores how emotional issues and roles are passed down through generations and aims to interrupt negative cycles, fostering emotional growth and resilience. The therapeutic process. Assessment and engagement. Family systems therapy typically begins with a thorough assessment of the family system. Therapists gather information about family history, relationships, communication patterns, and areas of conflict. This initial phase is critical for understanding the unique dynamics at play. Engagement with the family is also essential. Therapists build rapport and create a safe, non-judgmental space where family members can openly discuss their thoughts and feelings. Establishing trust is fundamental to the success of the therapy. Exploration and intervention. 1. Genogram. A genogram is a visual representation of the family's structure and history. It includes information about family members, relationships, and significant events. Genograms are valuable tools for identifying patterns and connections within the family system. 2. Identifying patterns. Through exploration, therapists help family members identify recurring patterns of behavior, communication, and conflict. These patterns often relate to issues such as power struggles, emotional cutoffs, and unresolved family issues. 3. Communication skills. Improving communication within the family is a primary goal of family systems therapy. Therapists teach effective communication skills, including active listening, assertiveness, and conflict resolution. Family members learn to express their needs and emotions constructively. 4. Emotional regulation. Emotional regulation is crucial in family dynamics. Therapists work with individuals to enhance their emotional awareness and regulation skills. This helps prevent emotional reactivity and promotes more thoughtful responses in stressful situations. Working towards change. Family systems therapy aims to create lasting change by fostering healthier relationships and patterns. Family members gain insights into their roles within the system and develop strategies for managing conflicts and stress. The therapy process is collaborative, with therapists facilitating discussions and encouraging family members to take an active role in their own growth. Applications of family systems therapy. Family systems therapy can address a wide range of issues within family dynamics. 1. Conflict resolution. Conflict is a natural part of family life, but unresolved conflicts can lead to tension and estrangement. Family systems therapy provides tools for identifying and addressing conflicts in a healthy and constructive manner. 2. Parent-child relationships. Therapists work with parents to improve their parenting skills, enhance bonding with their children, and create a nurturing family environment. This is particularly valuable when dealing with issues like behavioral problems, adolescent struggles, or family transitions. 3. Couple and marital issues. Couples facing challenges in their relationship can benefit from family systems therapy. It helps couples understand how their family backgrounds and dynamics influence their partnership and provides strategies for improving communication and intimacy. 4. Substance abuse and addiction. When addiction impacts a family member, it can strain relationships and create emotional turmoil. Family systems therapy can be a valuable component of addiction treatment, helping families heal and providing support for recovery. 5. Grief and loss. Family systems therapy can assist families in navigating the complex emotions and changes that arise after the loss of a loved one. It helps families process grief together and build resilience. Critiques and controversies. While family systems therapy has proven effective for many families, it is not without its criticisms. 1. Limited focus. Critics argue that family systems therapy may focus too heavily on family dynamics at the expense of individual needs. In some cases, individuals may require more personalized therapeutic approaches. 2. Cultural sensitivity. Cultural factors can significantly impact family dynamics. Therapists must be culturally sensitive and adapt their approach to address the unique challenges faced by families from diverse backgrounds. 3. Complexity. Family systems therapy can be complex, requiring skilled therapists to navigate intricate family dynamics. It may not be suitable for all therapists or families. The future of family systems therapy. As our understanding of family dynamics continues to evolve, so does the practice of family systems therapy. Therapists are increasingly incorporating modern tools and technology into their practice, offering teletherapy and online resources to make therapy more accessible. Additionally, there is growing recognition of the importance of family systems in various aspects of mental health and well-being. Researchers and therapists continue to explore innovative ways to apply family systems therapy to address contemporary challenges, such as the impact of technology on family relationships and the changing dynamics of modern families. We are House of Thought Therapy, nurturing minds, empowering lives.